I never expected to end up at aluminum foundry. Like, I never knew we could make the complex stuff we do. I didn't realize how vast aluminum was, and that's really cool. I love melting, you know. It's always something new because we have 20 plus alloys and we're a custom job shop. We're not making 10,000 parts, we're making 100. Each week I'll have a different part that keeps me moving and thinking and adapting. Like, it still seems like I'm like learning new stuff every day because like sure, you get your training, but every pot acts differently too. Pot 6 will melt fast. This one melts slow. Like, everything's got its own quirks. They're always trying new things. We're trying new gloves. They're always adding more safety. Lighting, it's bright for a foundry. When I think of a foundry, I think of a dungeon. Dark, you know, it's gonna be a mess, but they're always putting effort in, which is awesome to see. So I think I could have a long career and not be worried about if I gonna come in and not have a job. So I think that's very nice. That's what I like about it. There was no indicator that it ended up here. It just kind of happened by chance. Don't knock it. Try it. You'll enjoy it. You'll definitely see a successful career out of it.